வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் ட்ரீமர்ஸ் 360. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா இந்தியன் பாலிட்டியில் 500+ கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஆல்ரெடி ஃபஸ்ட்டு வீடியோவில் நம்ம 30 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்டோம். இப்போ நம்ம அனதர் 30 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க கொஷின்ஸ்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், அட் ப்ரெசன்ட் த ரைட் டு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி இஸ் மியர்லி எ ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ லீகல் ரைட். The term of office of the president is answer option D 5 years. Third one, lower house of the Indian parliament is known as option A Lok Sabha. Fourth one, the highest appeal court in a state is option D High Court. Fifth one, who was the permanent chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Sixth one, the freedom of religion is included in the articles. Option B, Article 25 to 28. Seventh one, which one of the following statement is not correct? Answer option A, equal representation is given to states in Rajya Sabha. Eighth one, Indian upper house is known as Council of States. Ninth one, the first civil service commission in India was set up on the basis of recommendation of option B Lee Commission. Tenth one, the constitution provides for the setting up of finance commission every 5th year. 11th one, the constitution of India was adopted by the option A Constituent Assembly. 12th one, normally the parliament can legislate on the subject enumerated in answer option D the union and the concurrent list. 13th one, the constitution of India vests the executive authority of the union in the option A president. 14th one, according to the constitution, the upper house of the state legislature can be created or abolished by answer option B the Parliament of India. 15th one, which state legislative assembly has the maximum strength? Option C Uttar Pradesh. 16th one, which one of the following categories of members are not included in the legislative council? Representatives of temple, churches and mosques. 17th one, which is the largest committee of the Indian Parliament? Answer option B the estimate committee. 18th one, the president of India is option D elected by electoral college consisting of members of parliament and of state legislatives. 19th one, the oath of office to the president is conducted by option A the Chief Justice of India. 20, the president can vacate his office by addressing his resignation to option A the vice president. 21, the vice president who assumes the office of president in case of vacancy hold the same for answer a maximum period of 6 months. 22nd, the president of India enjoys the right to veto answer only non-money bills or ordinary bills. 23rd, the proclamation of emergency must be placed before the parliament for its approval. Answer within 1 month. 24, the vice president of India is elected by answer option D both elected and nominated members of the parliament. 25th, in reality the council of ministers stay in office as long as option A the confidence of Lok Sabha. 26, the governor of state is responsible for his conduct under the Constitution to the option B, President. 27. A member of the Council of Ministers can be asked to tender his resignation if he loses the confidence of option C, the Chief Minister. 28. The Chief Justice of Supreme Court is appointed option C, by the President in consultation with the judges of Supreme Court and the High Court. 29. The President can seek advice of the Supreme Court. Option C, regarding constitutionality or otherwise of a law under enactment. 30. The Supreme Court has been given advisory power under option D, Article 143. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம 30 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் அடுத்த 30 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்ப்போம். உங்களுக்கு என்னோட வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள்.